guys, and welcome back to another video on the detailing&valeting YouTube channel. Today we've got another product review, and the product that we're reviewing is the AMWheels from the AMdetails range. I've heard a lot about this wheel cleaner, mainly from Craig. He does rave about this a lot, so hopefully it'll live up to what he's been saying. He does say it's very good. That's why he's already used half a bottle. So yeah, let's get on with the review. So this is an acid-free wheel cleaner, and basically the instructions, well, I'll just read it off the back. So for the best results, spray AMWheels onto the wheel, then allow the chemical to work. For a deeper clean, aggregate AMWheels on the inside and faces of the wheels. Then rinse with a steady stream of water. AMWheels is also great for cleaning arch liners and tyres. So what we're going to do today, we're going to spray it onto these Audi A1 wheels and see how well it actually works, and see whether it lives up to what Craig says about it. So I'm just going to snow foam the car, because we'll be going along and using the product as we would when washing the car normally. So yeah, let's stick some snow foam on the car, wash that off, and then let's start the review. So the first wheel I'm going to test is on the driver's side, on the driver's side, the front wheel, because that's the muckiest. We're going to apply the AMWheels to it, and literally just leave it for 30 seconds to a minute, see what the chemical can actually do, and then rinse it off with pressured water. So let's do that now, and then I'll come back to you, explain what I'm going to do on the back wheels. First impressions on this wheel, it's cleaned it up quite well. There's not too much dirt left over, which is good, so it means the chemical has actually worked. Some wheel cleaners you do have to sort of like aggregate with a brush, but yeah, this one is holding up quite well to the testing, so I'm impressed so far. Let's go on to the back wheel and sort of like spray it on and aggregate with a brush, and see if it cleans any better, or if not. But yeah, at the minute I can't see, just having a quick look, I can't see, the wheels are clean. So yeah, let's go on to the back wheels. Okay, so I've just finished cleaning the wheels with the AMWheels, and yeah, it's performed quite well. Like I said, on the front wheel, I've literally just sprayed the chemical on, left it, and then pressure washed it off, and yeah, it has worked. Well, I'd say pretty well, because the wheel's clean, clean enough to sort of like from here, you wouldn't tell that there's any dirt on there or anything, which is good. Shows that the product actually works without having to intervene with a brush or anything. And then on the back wheel, we sprayed it on and then aggregated it with a brush, and yeah, it's cleaned up the tyres really well, it's foamed up really well, and cleaned up the wheels really well as well. So yeah, this is a good product. You can get this on the AMdetails website, or you can buy this from our shop as well. So yeah, you have the choice. But yeah, go check AMdetails out. That's the company who make this. Alan has given us a lot of support over the last 2 years. Big shout out for him. And yeah, he does help a lot, not just with us, but with, well, pretty much every detailer that goes to him for advice. Yeah, he is a real sound guy. So yeah, just for that, go check out he's got Instagram, Facebook, he's got a website and a shop. But yeah, if you're in sort of his area, go check his work out. Check out his YouTube channel as well. He's got, well, he does sort of like weekly videos from all his work in his workshop, and well, he's just started doing videos on sort of like him with, I think, some sort of race team, which is pretty cool as well. We've been watching those videos, and yeah, they're quite nice to watch, quite relaxing. So yeah, easy to watch. So go check Alan and his company out. Big shout out for him for, yeah, well, letting us restock his products as well. Overall, a good wheel cleaner, and yeah, the wheel cleaner works how Craig said it should. Cheers for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's loads more product reviews to come. We're going to try to do some how-to videos as well, but yeah, it's just finding the time. But yeah, we will do some how-to videos, so if you've got any suggestions for that, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you tune in for next Sunday for another product review.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!